Jai Swaminarayan. Myself, Kumudini Nalavade, Atme Green School, Standard 4, subject. Yeah, it's. I know it's a value education period, but due to some reason, I was unable to provide you video of value education. So today I will continue of GK, and from the next week. I will take both. That means on the Monday and also on Thursday, I will provide you the videos of value education. Okay, so let's start our GK. Fine, so let's give me 1 second. So I will start our uh, GK chapter. So I think we have completed up to just 1 second. Fine. Uh, it's our new chapter, that is close of the world. So, first of all, can anyone tell me what are the reasons why we are wearing clothes? So, I think everyone was laughing. So, why ma'am is asking such type question? Why we are wearing the clothes? So, most commonly the reasons are such like this: for protection, right? Na? So, from protect from heat, cold, rain. So, to protect our body, we use the clothes. Second, adornment, to decorate ourselves, or to be neat and clean, we use the clothes. Next thing, important reason, that is the identification. If we are students, we use our uniform. Okay, if your mama is doctor or engineer, they are wearing according to that type of dress. If you are the teachers, you have to wear sari or your dress code according to your school. Next thing is modesty. Modesty means code of decency. Decency, that means uh, you are wearing clothes represent your personality. Fine. Then the status. So if you most of the time the your dress or your fashion, so we can say, or dress code represent your rank or the position you are in your society, right? So there are different clothes in, we wear different clothes in different season. Okay. Suppose this is winter season, we wear woolen clothes. In summer season, we use the cotton clothes. In rainy season also we wear different type of clothes, it according to our season, right? Also, there are we already so many times discussed that so many states are there, they have different food culture, right? And also, every state has wearing means we have to say it has traditional dress are there. So I will discuss two or three. So Maharashtrian women use Nawari saris. Then in Gujarat, women use that colorful skirts, right? Then in Rajasthan, it is China choli type of dress is there. So in different state, different type of dress are used. In this chapter, we see the different type of clothes of the world. Okay, so let's see. Mm, Interchange the words in bold. Write the correct sentence in your find out the book. So these are the words that indicate that this type of dress is there. So this is not correct. You have to write the correct words. So these words are wrong. Fine. So let's start. Now see the picture. Okay. So see here, a kilt is a traditional garment worn by a Japanese man and women and children. So is it a type of dress called kilt? No, it is a kimono. So what is kimono? So just understand what is kimono. So kimono's word comes from ki means wear and mono means the things we can use to wear. It is the Japanese traditional dress. They are typically hand sewn into T-shaped from the single four piece of a fabric called tans and tied with a uh, tied uh, tied with a obi or we can say belt with square leaves and rectangular body. So we can see in the picture also the sleeves are square and this body is just little bit like a rectangle and it is tied with the belt. Okay, fine. So next, second dress. So first of all you have to watch carefully the type of dress. Okay, now next, she is wearing a poncho, a loose wrap around a garment, usually colorful. It worn in many parts of Southeast Asia. Actually, its name is sarong. So what is sarong? So let's see. It is a large tube or length of fabric often wrapped around the waist. Okay, see this one. Uh, Worn in Southeast Asia, East Africa, the fabric has one plain or checked pattern. It is either checked or floral pattern is there. Okay, now next, third one. I think this dress you have to see in most of the pictures, right? See in the cinemas also, cinemas I want to say. See, third, this skirt is called kimono. It is a national costume of Scotland. So it is not a kimono, it is a kilt. So what is it? Kilt is a type of knee-length, bifurcated skirt with plaits at the back, originating in traditional dress of Gaelic men and boys in the Scottish Highlands. Okay, now let's see the next dress. This one, he is wearing a sarong, a type of shawl also worn by women in the South America and sometimes it is used as a blanket. So it is called poncho. It is not a sarong. So let's see what is the poncho. It is the article of clothing of an ancient origin of cloth made of square or rectangular cloth with a hole in the middle and through which wears head and the original poncho consists of a rough brightly colored handloom cloth. Poncho are worn in the Eastern cultures of the Latin America. Fine. The next one now. The colorful cloth of handkerchief that this man has on his head. It is called bow tie. Women wear it too. Many singers and sportspersons also wear one nowadays. So it is not a bow tie. It is a bandana. So what is this? Just 1 second. So it is a large color handkerchief typically with white spot worn tied around the head or neck. So most of the famous singers and the sport person you can see worn this type of handkerchief. Okay. Okay, now fine, the last one. This man is wearing a bandana and a dress suit. So it is not bandana, it is this one is called bow tie. So what is bow tie? I think everyone know about it. Most of the time we also not most of the gentlemen and you also, you people, students also have wear this bow tie. So it is a typical type of necktie. A modern bow tie is tied with using a common shoe lace knot which is also called the bow knot. For that reason it consists of the ribbon or fabric tied around the collar of a shirt. So this is the some type of dress or we can say the clothes we the around the world people are wearing. So let's see here, find out a little about what people wearing in different states in India. You can write. So just before starting this chapter I have discussed about 2 states. So you can also find or search on Google and get knowledge from your elder ones that which state will where